Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then select power off, and after your device turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see a Poco logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot, wipe data, connect with Mi Assistant, and also safe mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot, then reboot to system, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.